You will never guess what I've just seen.
What?
A purple-bellied lambalally.
Is that a good thing?
Of course it's a good thing. It's one of the rarest monsters on the whole island.
Exactly how many monsters are there on this island?
Well, Lion, I'm glad you asked.
Please don't sing.
She is definitely gonna sing.
Tell me, have you ever heard, but you've never, ever heard? Tell me, have you ever heard of the gobbledygook?
Is it a monster? Does it roar? We've never heard, no, we've never heard. Please, oh, please tell us more.
The gobbledygook has saggy jaws. It's the biggest of the monsters. When it's hungry, it howls.
The gobbledygook has saggy jaws. It's the biggest of the monsters. When it's hungry, it howls.
Tell me, have you ever heard, but you've never, ever heard? Tell me, have you ever heard of the lumpy plump?
Is it a monster? Does it sting? We've never heard, no, we've never heard. Please, oh, please fill us in.
The lumpy plump has a belly like a jelly. It's big and pink and it likes to watch telly.
The lumpy plump has a belly like a jelly. It's big and pink and it likes to watch telly. The gobbledygook has saggy jaws. It's the biggest of the monsters. When it's hungry, it howls.
Tell me, have you ever heard, but you've never, ever heard? Tell me, have you ever heard of the stinky stinker?
Is it a monster? Does it smell? We've never heard, no, we've never heard. Please, oh, please tell us now.
The stinky stinker is red as a cherry. It has bad breath and its feet are smelly.
The stinky stinker is very, very smelly. The lumpy plump has a belly like a jelly. The gobbledygook has saggy jaws. It's the biggest of the monsters. When it's hungry, it howls.
The floof has 3 arms on both sides. The dumble-bum's got bulging eyes. The bumper's a jumper, it jumps on the spot. The dinkle-blink runs in circles a lot. Right, whole thing, twice as fast.
The floof has 3 arms on both sides. The dumble-bum's got bulging eyes. The bumper's a jumper, it jumps on the spot. The dinkle-blink runs in circles a lot. The stinky stinker is very, very smelly. The lumpy plump has a belly like a jelly. The gobbledygook has saggy jaws. It's the biggest of the monsters. When it's hungry, it howls.
Is that you? Oh, it's just the gobbledygook.
Ah!